This video is designed for you to do every day. So wake up, roll out of bed and onto your mat, stretch your body so you feel incredible today and every day. Now is the time to make time. Start at the top of your mat. Inhale and reach your arms above your head. Grab your left wrist and exhale, step out to the right for a side bend. Inhale, step back to center and switch sides. Grab the right wrist, step out to the left, and expand through your ribs. Full range of motion here. Inhale, step back to center, look up towards your fingers. Exhale, bend your elbows into a back bend. Expand through the chest. Sweep your arms down and then forward, and inhale, reach up and lengthen towards the sky. Exhale, hinge at your hips to a forward bend. Drop your head down. Inhale, slide the hands to your shins. Lift halfway up. Exhale, plant your hands and step your left foot back, dropping your back knee. Place your hands on your thigh and push into your thigh to lift your chest. Reach your arms up above your head for a deeper stretch. And if you want a little bit more, catch your back foot, pulling the foot in towards your body. Keep your chest lifted and come to your breath, sinking deeper with every exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale, release the leg. Plant your hands and start to shift your hips back to a half splits. Flex your right foot, chest to thighs. If you want more, you can sit all the way back onto your heel, reaching your arms in front of you, or taking a full splits, extending the right leg forward and your left leg back. Hold and breathe as you start to release those muscles and create space. Good. Deep breath in, and then start to release into a pyramid pose. So as you rise up, plant the right foot, spin the back heel flat, square your hips forward, and then fold over your right leg, bringing your chin, nose, and forehead towards your shin. Again, exhaling and deepening into the stretch. We're going to lift halfway up and then find a twist here into revolved triangle. Make sure you adjust your feet however you need to. Externally rotate your right shoulder, rolling it back so you can open up a little deeper into your twist. Feel the strength in the back. Good. Reach through your fingertips. And then release the right hand down. Let's take pigeon pose. Step your left foot back. Drop your right knee to your right wrist. And then press into your hands and lift into a back bend, creating space through the front of your left leg and compression through your lower back. Take a deep breath in and exhale, fold forward. Good. Adjust that right foot up towards the left corner of the mat if you need a deeper stretch. Good. Breathe in, and on your exhale, we'll start to release to downward facing dog. Plant the hands, step the right foot back, push into your hands. Good. Feel that beautiful stretch, but also notice the difference between the left side and right side of your body. This is how we know that this practice is working. Let's walk the feet forward to a forward fold. Good. Head is heavy. Gaze towards your thighs. Inhale, rise, stretch your arms all the way up. Grab your left wrist. Once again, side bend over to the right. Inhale, come back to center and switch sides. Good. Feel the length and openness. Inhale, reach up, look up, and exhale, cactus your arms into a back bend. Release the arms down, sweep them forward, and then up towards the sky as you look up, and exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and exhale, right foot back. Drop the right knee. Plant your hands, push into your thigh. Use that resistance to go deeper, reaching the arms up if you want more length and stretch through the upper body, and the option to catch the back foot, going deeper into that quadricep and hip flexor. Breathe and feel. Deep breath in. And exhale, start to release to your half splits. Remember our 3 options: coming just halfway down, supporting yourself with your hands, sitting all the way back and folding even deeper, stretching your fingertips forward, or the full splits, reaching your left leg forward and your right leg back. Option to keep the back toe tucked or untucked. Good. Chest is lifted. Deep breath in. Let's start to release on the exhale into pyramid pose. Left foot is flat and the back heel is anchored. Square the hips forward so left hip comes back, right hip forward, and allow the front of your body to meet the front of your left leg. Go deeper on every exhalation. Now let's add that twist, keeping the right hand down. Roll the left arm up, open through your chest. Good. Adjust the feet. Make all those little adjustments you need to get the most out of each posture. Good. Deep breath in. And exhale, release the hand down as we come back to pigeon. Left knee drops to the left hand. Sweep the foot over. Stay upright to stretch through the front body to get a nice back bend here, compressing the spine. Good. And then exhale, fold forward, lowering the chest down. Good. Nice full deep breath in, and exhale, start to release back to downward facing dog. Beautiful. Now notice how your body feels on the right side and the left side. Notice how open and free your body feels, ready to go about your day today. Deep breath in. Exhale, walk the hands back to a forward fold. Inhale, rise, stretch your arms above your head. Exhale, hands to heart. Namaste.